Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the Max Sudoku Very Easy Volume 1. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 91. Let's start with the square here. We've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got the 3 here, so 6, 7, 3 here, 6, 7. So our 3 has to be here. If we look at this column, we've got 1, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4, 5, and 6 here, so this is our 2. We've got a 6 here and a 4 here, so 5. That 6 makes this our 4 and our 6. For this box then, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 3 here, so this is our 1. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 there, so 8, 5. For this box then, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and a 7 here, so this is our 2. Up 7 there, so 1, 7. To finish out this row then, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing a 1 and a 9. I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing a 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 here and a 3 there. So 1, and that 4 makes this our 3 and 4. For this box then, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 1 there, so 3 and 1. For this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7, 8 there, so this is our 9, and 8 there, so 7, 8. That 1 makes us our 9 and our 1. For this column then, 1, 2, we're just missing a 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now then, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 6. A 6 here, so 2, 4, and no help here, so 2, 4, 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. That 4 makes this our 2. So we can get rid of this 2. For this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5 and an 8. We've got an 8 there. So 5, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing a 1. For this column then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 4, 8. That 4 makes us our 6 and our 4. So for this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here. So 6, 5. That 6 makes us our 7, 6. So to finish out this box, we're missing a 2 and a 9. We've got a 2 there, so 9 and 2. And there was today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.